Reliant's Crisis Strategy and Management application for the Customer Centricity Awards 2021. My name is Leanne Schneider, and I am the Director of Customer Experience and Community Relations at Reliant. I'll be walking you through our application, and I am excited to talk about our team's efforts to successfully manage our response during the challenges presented by COVID-19 and the 2021 Texas winter storm. Reliant powers, protects, and simplifies life by bringing electricity, security, and related services to homes and businesses across Texas. Serving customers in the community is at the core of what we do, and our company is recognized nationally for outstanding customer experience. Reliant is part of NRG, a Fortune 500 company that creates value by generating electricity and providing energy solutions to 6 million residential, small business, and commercial customers across the United States and Canada. NRG's competitive residential electricity business, which includes Reliant, is one of the largest in the country. In 2020 and 2021, the COVID-19 pandemic and Winter Storm Uri in Texas presented unexpected challenges on businesses large and small. The reality of how Reliant dealt with the crisis tells a different story, one of pivoting to business models to address short-term solutions along with long-term resilience. As a retail electricity provider in one of the largest states in the country, our role in the essential electricity industry became even more critical. We had to ensure we were listening to our customers' needs while also supporting our employees' safety. By pivoting our crisis management strategy, we were able to support the well-being of our customers, our employees, and the community at large. Our cross-functional teams and collaboration became our forte, allowing Reliant to quickly identify a four-pronged approach to strengthen our response. Here's why we did it. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Reliant's main priority was to lead our customers' and employees' experience with empathy, connecting with our most important stakeholders, customers and employees, in times of crisis strengthens their trust and our relationships. To honor our customers' trust, we worked hard to ensure an effective crisis response, minimize supply chain disruptions, and safeguard the well-being of our employees by adjusting our work practices. We switched our workforce to a remote environment in a timely fashion without any disruptions to our customers. When economic activity declined and the unemployment rate increased, we expanded our payment assistance options to ease the burden on our customers. We also accepted new customers when other retail electricity providers had to exit the market, and we provided disconnection protection longer than the government-ordered mandates and offered financial relief such as deposit and late fee waivers. Our approach included 4 pillars which were the foundation of our successful crisis management strategy. First, we put a focus on employee engagement. Safeguarding employees was a priority so they could assist our customers. Second, we expanded our financial assistance options. Providing pragmatic help to customers and organizations was critical. Third, we provided best-in-class digital support. Actively shifting customers to online channels was key to helping them. And fourth, we communicated clearly and effectively. Staying reachable and empowering customers with timely information helped minimize uncertainty. Our cross-functional teams were key to pivoting our crisis strategy and response and was a lateral extension of Reliant's capabilities, bolstering our customer-centric strategy. Cross-functional teams across customer experience, customer care, digital, marketing, operations, communications, and community relations propelled ideas quickly into action focused in these 4 main areas. Our first pillar was employee engagement. We took care of our employees so they could take care of our customers. In addition to providing employee relief programs as a foundation, we equipped employees with remote connectivity and tools to ensure they could effectively assist our customers from home or wherever they would be working. Even though employees were impacted themselves, they participated in programs supporting both COVID-19 and winter storm recovery efforts. And by gathering and listening to employee feedback, we implemented many of the programs we will discuss next. Our second pillar was financial assistance. It was critical to provide pragmatic help to customers and organizations. We expanded our payment assistance options, including payment extensions, deferred payment plans, contactless payment, and the option to change the timing of payments. We provided disconnection protection outside of government-ordered mandates and offered financial relief such as deposit and late fee waivers. We enhanced our online care center to view financial assistance options and set up payment extensions and deferred payment plans through a self-service tool. The Reliant Care, which means Customer Assistance by Reliant Energy program, works with social service agencies to provide financial support for customers' bills. We enhanced our care program to better support our customers who needed financial assistance by first increasing Reliant funding to agency partners and increasing the number of agency partners to provide broader coverage throughout the state. We also improved processes with call center agents, United Way, and our agency partners. Finally, we added an online donation option for customers to help other customers and donate to the program outside of just the existing paper bill donation option. Our customers and employees are at the heart of our Texas communities and everything we do. Giving back to the communities where our customers and employees live and work is essential and core to who we are. Reliant and parent company NRG donated over $1 million to protect frontline workers and those adversely impacted by COVID-19. Following Winter Storm Uri, we donated an additional $4 million for community efforts. This was part of NRG's $11 million commitment for Texas customer and community relief specific to Winter Storm Uri. Our third pillar was to provide best-in-class digital support. With stay-at-home guidelines during COVID, we directed customers to online solutions. Our digital teams leveraged agile practices to quickly serve customers. We quickly deployed an online COVID crisis communication center to provide information on payment assistance options, including the COVID electricity relief program adopted by the Texas Public Utility Commission, designed to help consumers experiencing hardship during this time. For Winter Storm Uri, we quickly assembled a special landing page within our online account manager to provide important information and a warm welcome to customers when their original retail electricity provider exited the market. We added a new partner to offer services where customers can ask family or friends to help with payments directly to Reliant. While the Public Utility Commission of Texas order to halt disconnects was in place during both events, we educated customers and sent reminders to continue making payments. We wanted to ensure customers are not met with a large bill once the order was lifted. We communicated directly to customers with past due balances with email personalization and also site personalization with a banner in their online account manager, gently reminding them to pay down past due bills. Our fourth pillar was effective communications. In both situations, we enhanced our communications and channels to address the unique needs of these overwhelming situations and minimize uncertainty. During COVID, we created online alerts for past due customers, directing them to payment assistance resources. We proactively communicated the ability to change their electricity plan to meet their evolving environment of being home more, along with energy savings tips and financial assistance options available. For Winter Storm Uri, our team communicated through all stages of the storm, including storm preparation, payment assistance options, electricity status, conservation requests, billing alerts, and energy savings tips. We also assured them our residential plans were not subject to the skyrocketing prices mentioned in the news. We also added in the email and site personalization communications for paying down their past due balances as previously discussed. Forging lasting connections with existing and new customers was the result of pivoting our crisis management strategy. During both COVID-19 and Winter Storm Uri, Reliant was able to evolve our crisis management strategy each time to meet the unique customer and employee needs. Leading in a caring, empathetic manner during these difficult times has shown us that real connections outlive the impacts of a pandemic and a large-scale weather event. Let's take a look at our impact metrics. First, NPS growth. We increased Net Promoter Score from customers requesting financial assistance. Customers continue to positively mention Reliant's crisis response in light of COVID-19 and Winter Storm Uri. We also assisted customers financially. In 2020, we materially increased the number of customers we assisted financially compared to the year before. Attrition improvement. We reduced attrition with customers that received financial assistance. Agile response measures implemented. We implemented agile response measures to halt disconnects and effectively communicate with our customers at all times in a digital environment. We utilized different capabilities such as site personalization to provide key information to customers in their online account, along with sending online alerts in the mobile app, on the website, and through email. Community assistance. We increased Reliant funding and enabled online customer donations to our CARE program, which provides financial assistance to customers experiencing economic hardship. In 2020 alone, customer donations increased 7 times by implementing the online donation capability. Through continued enhancement to the online capabilities, we are already on track to exceed that customer donation amount in 2021. Through these improvements to our CARE program, we will be able to provide even more financial assistance to our agency partners to assist our customers. When we look back across both events, we provided more than $5 million of assistance for just these 2 crisis events to community partners that are helping across the state. This is above and beyond our normal community giving efforts. Our employees continue to be engaged in volunteer events in addition to our financial donations. One example where the community assistance and customer experience comes together is to hear stories like Mrs. Nancy. Mrs. Nancy, who's a cancer survivor, battling other ailments as well, had not had running water since Winter Storm Uri. Reliant's donation to a local disaster relief organization and volunteer efforts enabled her to have running water after 3 months of being without. She told us she is especially proud to be a Reliant customer. Stories like this are our reward, along with so many testimonials we've received. The lessons learned are shaping an evolving crisis preparedness strategy that brings us closer to our customers, which includes planning at the forefront. We have processes in place to ensure we are always ready in the event a crisis situation takes place that could impact our employees, customers, and communities. Activating teams across the organization. Cross-functional teams are engaged at the highest level of the organization to the functional teams and agents to ensure collaboration and a positive customer experience. Launching new features to provide assistance. We are constantly driving different and better ways to engage with our customers and communities so they have the information they need when they need it. Managing evolving crisis events. We are continuing to manage ongoing crisis events in real time as they develop, so teams across the organization are prepared to help our customers and employees no matter the circumstance. Based on the lessons learned, we implemented the following new initiative. In summer 2021, Reliant launched the ability for customers to enroll in emergency alert SMS messages related to conservation events, severe weather events, and other urgent updates. Overall, we continue to evolve our crisis management strategy to prepare for unpredictable future events. We want to ensure that no matter the situation, we provide the best possible support for our customers, employees, and communities. Here's a customer testimonial from one of our agency partners for the Reliant Care Program, Catholic Charities. Many seniors we help live on small fixed incomes, and some also rely on family for support. Unfortunately, the COVID pandemic has put households in dire situations. In one instance, because of a family's close ties with staff at our Missouri City location, they were comfortable letting the caseworker know that their electricity was at risk of interruption. With the funds provided through the CARE program, they received the maximum allowance of $500 towards their electric bill. With the holidays coming fast and COVID still interrupting the lives of many, the CARE program was a tremendous lifeline for this vulnerable but loving family. We stepped up as a leader in our industry during both crisis events. We were able to take ownership of the situations we were facing rather than allowing the situation to take ownership of our company and our valued customers and partners. At Reliant, we focus on the customer above all else, It's testimonials like this one that keeps us motivated to remain vigilant and responsive to customers' needs throughout any challenges we have ahead. Thank you.